In this video, I want to show you how to add YouTube cards and end screens, which make the video itself clickable, both on mobile devices and desktop. But first, I also wanted to show you, this is a new layout that YouTube is testing. Literally, while I was recording this course, they gave me the option to test out this new layout. So as I mentioned before, when you're creating your channel, things might look a little different as you're creating your channel, but the way you do it is basically the same. So let's add a card to one of my recent videos. This Learn Adobe in 30 Minutes video just launched today, and I want to add a card that links to the course that I'm promoting. It's a free lead magnet course, but it's a course that I'm promoting with this video. So you can get into any of your videos by clicking the edit video on the video page itself, or by going through your dashboard. So for example, if I go into my Creator Studio, then go to Video Manager, here's where you'll see all of your videos that you've uploaded. And you can see here that I have many videos ready to publish. One thing that you'll notice here, I'm on the back end of Video School Online and not my Phil's Finances channel that we've been working on, is I have these extra little buttons. It's called TB, and then it has it next to here. There's TB up here. What that is an external plugin that I've purchased called TubeBuddy. What TubeBuddy offers me is to quickly create templates. For example, with cards, you can add templates. You can also bulk publish items. So I can actually bulk edit descriptions, tags, add cards to lots of videos all at once. So that makes editing YouTube videos much more efficient. So if you're interested in that, that's what TubeBuddy is, and that's why you won't see these little buttons right here. So to add a card, let's go down to the Adobe Lightroom. You can just click the down button and click cards. To add a card, first go to the point in the video where you want to add that card, where it will pop up. So I'll do this in the video when I start talking about a product that I want a card for, or just at the start of the video. So I'll go to about 7 seconds, then click add card. Again, we have this TubeBuddy option that you're not going to see. Click add card and you have different options. You can create a card for another video, a playlist, another channel, to donate for a nonprofit of your choice that YouTube has partnered with, a poll, or a link. Choosing a link allows you to send people to an associated website. Remember how we associated our website before? That's why that was so important, so we can link out using cards to our website. If you have associated your website, you'll see it pop up down here, or you could plug in your website's URL to a specific page here, then click next. It brings in information from your website. For example, if there's images on the website, it will bring it in there, and the title of the website. I customize this to make sure it's as actionable as possible. The card title and the call to action appear on the card itself, and I'll show you that after we create it. And then the teaser text is what pops up on the YouTube video while it's playing. And then people have the opportunity to click that teaser text. So for the teaser text, I'll say something like enroll for free. That's probably good enough to get a lot of people to click this. And then for the card title, I'll say something like learn Adobe in 30 minutes. So more actionable than just Adobe in 30 minutes. And then the call to action is click to enroll. This image is all right. I'd probably want to customize the image so that all of the logos of the different Adobe products are within the square frame. This was just taking it from the page itself. I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can create custom square images for your cards, which might be a better idea. Then click create card. Now your card appears, and it's this little information button up here that you can click on to see what it looks like. So now you can go in and see, okay, learn Adobe in 30 minutes. That looks pretty good. Maybe if you want it on one line, you might want to edit it. If you want to edit anything, you can just click this edit card button. That's already added. So now if we click on our video, and I just open it up in a new tab, and let's see what happens with the card up here. Just pay attention up here. At 7 seconds, whoop, it pops up, enroll for free. Now if you click that, you see the card. And if you click the card, it takes you to the free course page. Cool, right? And this works in mobile devices too. The end screen is very similar. We used to have annotations, and they're rolling out annotations. So you're not going to be able to use annotations actually currently, but annotations were the first sort of way that people were able to interact with the video itself. Now they have what's called the end screen that pops up in the last 30 seconds of your video. And so it's very similar to the cards. Over to the right, you have elements, so you can add things like links to any page of your associated website. For some reason, it picked this image of me, so I'd probably want to change that if I was actually publishing this. And now you have this image that pops up here, and you can actually move it around your end screen. So this is how, at the end of your videos, you could say stuff like, if you're interested in learning more, click this button down to my right, or click this button down here, and point to it, and that's how this will pop up. With end screens, you have to have at least one video or playlist added, so you can't save if you don't have a video or playlist. So I'll add one more playlist. Let's just do best for viewer, and YouTube will select a video from my channel that's related to this video and add it, and we'll put it up here. So in the video, you might say something like, click up here to watch my most recent video, or another video you're interested in. So now you can see that we can save it. So we click save, and now all this stuff will appear on our video in the last 30 seconds. This is a great way to promote products or services related to the content of your video. And if someone has made it to the end of your video, that's beautiful. That means they're very interested in what you're talking about. Remember the AIDA funnel: awareness, interest, desire, action. They're in that interest phase and potentially moving towards that desire. And here you can reinforce that idea. I want to prove to you why adding cards and end screens is important. I'm in my analytics for Video School Online, and under analytics, you have the cards option. Here I can see how many people are clicking on the teaser text and then actually clicking on the cards. So within the past month, over 100 people have clicked from YouTube to one of my cards. That's 100 people going from YouTube to my website. And that's not even including people who are clicking from links in the description or just calls to action that I say within the video. So it's definitely something that you should use. It's something that YouTube has been pushing a lot for the past year or so. So they're definitely wanting creators to use the cards, and they work on mobile devices as well. So that's another benefit of using the cards versus just using something like a description. So take action, add cards to your videos, and of course, check out your analytics to see which cards work and which ones don't, and slowly improve with that data.